Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be doing Inngas. Here's a summary. Inngas is a race car that formerly competed in the Piston Cup. Prior to racing in the Piston Cup, it was a racing championship in European circuits. But then he migrated to the US in the early 90s and became a Piston Cup racer. Before he went to cars, Moore was an accomplished champion in the European racing competition. In the early 90s, he emigrated to the US. After his immigration, he was soon heavily courted by numerous amounts of team owners in the Piston Cup Racer Series. He eventually ended up racing for Retread over number 79. One night, he had experienced a trivial crash after driving in from the bowling alley, and he accidentally drove on the wrong side of the road. During the crash, he didn't experience any serious damage, though his ego was damaged in return. Later that year, he won a championship in the Piston Cup. In cars, Hall competes in the Dalico 400, which was hosted at the Motor Speedway of the South. During that race, an accident occurred from almost all of the competitors, during which he had been sandwiched between James Cleaner and Billy Wheelchanger. He wasn't able to finish the race. Sometime between Cars and Cars 3, Hall retired, but a sponsor doesn't appear in Cars 3. Now, which is sad really, because look at him, Retread, look, Lavender, very, well, besides Krusty Rotor, none of the races have they. It's all really purpley lavender. Actually, it'd be Rusty Cornfield. He's quite purpley racer, isn't he? Yeah? Well, okay. Let's move on to design. So you can see, well, as I just said, lavender with red, white accents. Retread, which is a tire deodorant. Roll on, yes, roll on. Yes, like roll on deodorant. It goes, just a little zigzag sort of pattern. I'm assuming it's meant to be like tire treads. There's one along the side as well. This is number 79, black outline with you probably can't see it, but he's got a little bit of red around here as well. Obviously got light year tyres, which I mean all of them Piston Cup racers do. Even the next gens have them like a Falcon Rev, but that's another review for another day. Okay, as I think you can see, contingency sponsors alongside, which means the same as the rest of the cars on Piston Cup races. And on top, 79. Yeah, you get it. And obviously side exhaust as well, can't forget. I mean, all of them have, again, blah, 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 you get it. And then it goes, got a little red thingamabob at the back, which meant to be like the yellow rookie stripe that rookies have, but he isn't a rookie. He started racing the Piston Cup in the early 90s, and he actually won a Piston Cup, so well done, Hull. And not forgetting, if you're interested in the base, here it is. Look, it looks like no, I think gearbox is here, or is it here? I'm not sure. Car guys, help me out. And I think that's pretty much what there is to say. So I'll see you in the next video, boys.